Hello developers, I'm Code Hero, a staff engineer, and this video is for two types of people: junior iOS developers trying to land their first job, and developers who want to start learning iOS in 2026. If that's you, this roadmap will save you months of confusion. Because the path most tutorials teach today is already outdated. The iOS market changed. AI accelerated development, teams became smaller, and companies expect developers to deliver value faster than ever before. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the roadmap that actually gets junior iOS developers hired today. 4 phases. Real skills. No fluff. Let's level up. Let's start with the honest picture. Junior iOS roles have become more competitive over the past 2 years. Not because companies stopped hiring, but because AI increased the productivity of smaller engineering teams. That means fewer entry-level positions. But there is also good news. Developers who ship real apps, write modern Swift, and know how to use AI as leverage are still getting hired consistently. That's the developer profile we're building in this roadmap. And I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Phase 1, your foundation. Think of this as unlocking your base stats. First stat, Swift concurrency, async and await. Actors, structured concurrency. In 2026, this is non-negotiable. Every modern iOS codebase expects it. Second stat, swiftui. Build at least 3 small apps using swiftui. Focus on understanding state flow and the declarative model. Third stat, Swift data. Learn migrations. Tutorials often skip this, but real apps don't. And finally, build a networking layer yourself. URL session. Codable. Async await. No libraries. This proves you understand the fundamentals. Phase 2, ship something real. This is where most junior developers get stuck. The mission is simple. Publish one real app to the App Store. Not a tutorial clone, not a to-do list. A real problem and a real solution. Downloads don't matter yet. Completion matters. Recruiters trust developers who finish things. Also, clean up your GitHub. Every repository should include screenshots, architecture notes, and setup instructions. Learn MVVM architecture well enough to explain it clearly. And add unit tests and UI tests. Most junior developers skip testing, which means if you don't, you immediately stand out. Phase 3, interview preparation. Start practicing algorithm problems. Focus on the fundamentals: arrays, strings, hash maps, trees. 2 problems a day for 6 weeks is enough for most iOS interviews. Next, system design. Practice explaining things like building an Instagram feed or designing offline sync. The goal is not a perfect answer. The goal is showing that you understand trade-offs like an engineer. Also, record a short walkthrough of your app. Explain the architecture, the decisions you made, and what you would improve. Sharing your work publicly makes you visible. Hey devs, this is where the game changes. In 2026, AI is not replacing developers. It's multiplying the best ones. Think of AI as your power-up system. Use AI to tailor your resume to each job description. Use AI for mock interviews. Ask it to act like an iOS interviewer and critique your answers. Use AI to review your code and highlight what a senior engineer might question. And add one AI feature to your portfolio app. A vision feature, core ML integration, or a simple LLM API call. Very few junior developers are doing this, which makes you memorable. Phase 4, landing the job. Start applying consistently. 5 to 10 applications per day is a good rhythm. Use AI to personalize the first 2 lines of each cover letter. It takes 5 minutes and significantly improves response rates. Also, stop relying only on job boards. Make a list of apps you admire, follow the engineers working on them, apply directly through their career pages, and attend at least one iOS meetup or developer event. One real conversation can open more opportunities than 100 cold applications. Here's the real takeaway. Every junior developer who gets hired has something the others don't. Finished work. Not the most tutorials watched. Not the most languages learned. Finished apps they can confidently explain. If you follow this roadmap and stay consistent, you'll already be ahead of most developers entering the market. If this video helped you level up, subscribe to the channel for more content about iOS, architecture, and AI-powered development. And if you want more resources and guides, visit tonytrejo.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.